I'm so sorry. I was doing edible slime in YouTube, and I didn't know I was gonna put it on YouTube, guys. So I put it on, and I was just doing that, guys. So I'm sorry, guys. So guys,
Pokey slime.
it's Pokey slime, guys. So get the slime, guys.
Can I poke it?
Yep. But I'm just gonna put it here. You guys can't see it, right, guys? But I'm just gonna.
I'll record it.
Record. Pokey.
Pokey.
Pokey. Ooh, pokey. Guys, it's edible slime. You dare me, guys. If you dare me to eat this, I don't
Comment down below.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna be like that.
It was
Guys,
real slime.
I just drank water. I remember I put some borax on here, guys. So, guys, comment down below, subscribe, and just do whatever, but make sure to don't do this. No, but guys, please.